Welcome to week 14, our final week of class. This week, your last project is your culminating project. So you will be posting that by Wednesday at midnight. And again, it's three purposes that you think are most vital and important in education. And you're citing some of the theorists and you are giving practical examples for each. There were lots of examples from last week's module for you to look over and an outline that could help you. If you didn't get started last week looking at it, then dig into that from module 13 and you can see some ways to focus your project. And finally, after you post your project on Wednesday night, then you will be looking at your other teammates. I have a culminating project group that I've assigned you to. So there'll be 3 or 4 other teammates projects posted in your area for you to view and just leave some appreciative feedback, what you found most intriguing, what you might want to use from their project for your own examples in your own classroom or your own coaching setting. So thank you. I hope you've enjoyed the class, and I look forward to seeing your final thoughts about what you feel is most important in temporary education.